this work are now being developed by the architect of the White House.
Red light run, red light run. The Mercedes right there ran the red light.
Beyond was a large room with some 70...
No, turn on red. You should have waited like 3 seconds, otherwise you wouldn't have been in the video. Oh well, sucks to be you, you're in the video now.
What Churchill did was great. How he did it was equally so. Everything felt the touch of his art,
really?
His appearance and gestures.
Of course, Screwbaroo.
That evening following to take the lead among all nations in recognizing the new Jewish state of Israel. It is a wise decision and a heartening one. As the puppy...
Did you have to come over here? It's, you know, both lanes go straight. You can merge later when it's more expected.
Nobody ever expected this to happen.
Yeah, right. We've never had to send a ex-president to prison.
Right.
No, stop. Kia.
I do he doesn't think he's going to win. No, I don't think he's going to win. Nobody thinks he's going to win. I just want somebody...
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Nope.
Oh, this is very unusual, Clifford said. A new country asking for recognition. It doesn't happen every day.
Exit regret. From Minnesota! And a Toyo turd.
Train reached California. Roughly twice the number traveling with the president.
Ah, nice
And
cutoff.
they were catered to. They're every...
And so I want there to be more of that.
All right, I agree with you. So, Andrea, thank you so much for being with us.
Of course.
Appreciate you filling in.
Exits, dive, you're kind of late going there. You didn't read the signs. Nissan drivers.
Indebtedness by over $100 million.
No, stop.
Still a wonderment to him. Jerome Walsh was so moved by Truman's total composure that he decided to record the scene while everything was still fresh in his mind.
You can go now.
To a friend written just days later.
You can go now.
And a Dewey victory. But a study of the campaign conducted by
Red light run, red light run. Elon ran the red light.
Democracy was the vitalizing force in the world. The American people...
You did not stop. Once again, I don't understand the point of having stop signs here because that's not a street, but whatever, it's there.
In the finger bowl and go back to work. What a life. The world. His reporter and interpreter of world events, as well as his chief negotiator and spokesman on foreign policy. Apart from everyone thought that the emperor had no clothes on. But of the...
But I'm streeing, dum streeing.
I'm there, but definitely worth it. Drop down into Iroquois Pass. Water levels have been really high this year.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Nonetheless, were nefarious because they further the same cause.
Yeah, no, that's a great way to put it. And they also don't have to occur in Georgia, right? And that's the other thing that a RICO case, there's a beauty to it in the sense that this shit can happen anywhere. But if it did further...
Wait, that's a one-way street. Yeah, he couldn't have turned out from there.
Heinous act against the government, I never once, in the entire time that all this stuff was happening, I never really felt threatened. I was always like, yeah, it's scary.
If you're going to take the turn that wide, and you kind of cut me off, too. Yeah, just a turn 2 seconds later. Good job. Country's proud of you. People suck.
That's what was so devious about this plan. In order for this plan to work, the fake electors didn't have to show up and have their votes counted as electoral votes.
I think that was red light run, red light run, red light run.
Spinning helplessly against the metal until he finally blacked out. John somehow ended up back on the ground. He was brought back to consciousness when his...
No, turn on red. You took your time, man, but you still turned on red. That's a big no-no. Stop it.
entity that we visit and not really spill over into the neighborhood. Have you struggled with that part of it at all? And if so, how do we...
All of his views. He's just Trumpism. He's kind of the thing we've always been worried about.
Yeah.
Like, we've always been worried on this show, talked about him. And said,
what are you doing on the wrong side of the street there? What the hell?
Alarm and exodus of climate voices on Twitter after Musk takeover. So this is pretty much what it sounds like. Musk took over.
No, stop,
People
because free us!
He vowed to keep working for equal rights and equal opportunity.
No, stop.
Every ounce of strength and determination I have. Beyond his $10,750 a year salary as...
Really?
You know what I mean? Talking about ties and dumb shit like that, and meanwhile you got the fucking AI. You know the most annoying thing? Somebody sent me some. Everybody's been
Toyo didn't stop.
Complete flop. A Gallup poll in late May showed that while
red light run, red light run, red light run. Why didn't you turn left right away? You could have gone. Like, freaking people, stop it!
Top or ridgeline, where often, as in France in 1918,
no, stop.
The enemy was heavily dug in, fortified with...
It is raining to beat the band.
Connecticut did not stop.
And you work for one of these institutions, or you stay at one of these institutions?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, wait, hey, where are you going?
Everybody's got an angle, and that's the way it sells, because otherwise it doesn't sell. They only get the viewers.
In person, but I've mentally shut myself to him. When does a single issue loom so large?
Said red light run, red light run, red light run.
$1,000 a week that sometimes suspiciously got put into a police pension.
No, stop. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. Or not in Connecticut. We're in New York State. It's Syracuse, 981. There's no restriction here, even though well, actually there isn't. Well, whatever. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next video. Okay, bye!